Yo, what's up guys? Dilib here. Another day, another vlog na punta ron guys, no? For today's video guys, we're going to unbox the newest DJI Mic Mini, the 1TX plus 1RX. Let's go! So, duha ang sulod guys, no? Sa carton. The bag and also the manual. Guide. And we have here a sticker from DJI. So this is the main event guys, no? We have here a pouch. Wow, nice a pouch guys. With DJI mic, DJI logo. And the pouch. Here the mic. $10 grams lang timbangan ni guys, no? And also we have the magnet, the charging. Dire na isa i-charge guys. And nice. And the receiver. Na siya ay logo dire. DJI. Type-C. Pwede na siya i-kuan guys sa cellphone. Dire lang na siya i-sulod. Also, we have the charging cable. Type-C. Receiver to camera. Duha ka buok. So let's try to connect the transmitter to our Action 4. Let's try to on this. So connected na siya, no? From the transmitter to our Osmo Action 4. So let's try our DJI Mic Mini. Mic check, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3. So guys, may pagkakaiba ba sa walang mic at merong mic? So as you can hear guys, naririnig nyo ba yung yung ingay ng ceiling fan? So try natin meron kasi itong noise cancellation, no? Try natin i-on yung noise cancellation. Mic check. Naririnig pa ba guys yung ingay ng ceiling fan? Mic check, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3. So as you can see, ang ganda ng DJI Mic Mini, no? For content creation or any interviews using the DJI Mic Mini. Let's go! Subukan natin lagyan ng wind muff to dead cat. So guys, mic check. Nilagyan ko ng wind muff. And let's try to on the Noise cancellation mode. Mic check. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. So, ito na ngayon ang audio ng merong DJI Mic Mini guys. Connected siya sa Action 4. Di ko na nilagyan ng tong receiver. Only the Bluetooth. So, let's go. So, hanggang doon na lang tayo guys. No? Maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating unboxing sa ating DJI Mic Mini. Please consider subscribe and like, comment, share sa ating video. Updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Thank you!